Okay, so here is our lithium phosphate 30 Ah battery pack, and this is the nominal voltage of this battery pack, and this is the ampere drawn by this inverter, and by the help of this inverter we are charging our laptop. Okay, and the laptop is fully discharged, and I am charging this laptop, and this is the output AC voltage after drop. When we plug this AC load, then the voltage get dropped, and the nominal voltage is approx to 60 volt AC. I am going to show this, but just simply plugging it out. As you can see, the voltage is 223 to 27, which is above the rated, that is 220 or 230, and the inverter is working very well. So I will continue when my laptop is get fully charged. Okay, this is charging now through this charger whose rating is also mentioned here. Okay, so there is my battery pack whose nominal voltage is 13.20, and the amps drawn by the inverter, that is 1.45. so I am connected a load, that is my laptop charger, and this is the output port of my laptop charger. I am going to show the how there is an instability in the output voltage, so that our laptop is remains safe. So let's see. So as you can see, the voltage is around 19.59, and you can see the stability. It's not fluctuating at all, just like our normal AC voltage uses. Okay, so that is the results, and the result is very good. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay guys, so our laptop is get fully charged, so I am plugging it out at 11:48, as you can see, and at the charging time I have plugged it in at 9:56. Okay, so you can see that nominal voltage of the battery is drop is very less, and our amperes which is drawn, and the output voltage which also get increases. And let's see our battery status. Okay, so here, as you can see, there is 99% charged. Okay, so it is almost charged, 1% is remaining, and this is all our inverter section and the R&D of the inverter section and the battery pack. The battery pack is basically the lithium phosphate and A grade. That's why the backup is very good, and the inverter we are using, it's 200 watt inverter, in which I am using the 12 amps relay, a transformer. Okay, so this is all about our progress.